kind of wall here. I don't know what he's supposed to do here. Oh, I see what's going on. So the bottom block is fake. He either has to hop around the sides or chop his legs off somehow. I don't know what he's trying to do here. I don't think that's gonna work. You're gonna fall off, dude. Chill out. This is just not the strategy. Alright, well, it looks like he's given up on doing that. Alright, he's gonna try the lasers now. I'm not really sure how the lasers work, but I guess if they work anything like the lava blocks earlier, it'll just... Yeah, there you go. Now this is no problem. Alright, now on to... Oh, that was a little too... Oh, that's unfortunate. The audio was made by Rosie Linda 48. Bye, YouTube. Alright, this next one is called Death Run Cheat. And of course, Death Run was around for a while. I even featured the old version in a video of mine called Classic Versions of Popular Roblox Games. Now we get to watch the real thing being played out in 2011. And, oh, I see what he's trying to do here. He's trying to get up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's definitely... Oh, wait, the winners thing is right there. Oh, well, that's kind of a huge cheat, and also a big oversight. Alright, this next one is simply titled Mario. So let's see what this is. Alright, so we're back on Sandbox, and we got this guy here playing through, I guess, sort of a 2D obby type of thing. Well, I see why the title is Mario now. Oh. Alright, well, that's the whole video. That guy just despawned. What was that? Alright, this one should be interesting. Roblox Channel 1 News Behind the Scenes. So let's see how this Roblox news station operates. The inner workings of their production or whatever. Hey guys, recording before show. Just yelling that out to everybody. My job is pressing the on-air button. That's quite the job. Is that like the specific reason that you work there? I've got the studio here. Nice. You just have a big picture of the city and not like a big screen. Oh, wait a minute. I have all this scene. What's that now? Why is this news studio on the stage? Are people buying tickets to watch the news live or something? They're just showing us the outside. Thanks, bye. Alright, well, that was the news behind the scenes experience. Now I just want to know where I purchased my tickets to watch the news. Alright, well, we've reached the end of the playlist. We just have one more video to go. It's called Best Roblox Game and there were all kinds of things out to get you. Oh, I think that guy got